If r equals to 0.345, s equals to 0.345 squared, and t equals to square root of 0.345, which of the following is the correct ordering of r, s, and t? Okay, here we have the value of r, that is 0.345. Let's consider this one. Here we have 0.345 squared. Since this is the value of r, we can plug in r for this one. Then we have s equals to r square. Now let's consider this stuff. Here inside the square root we have 0.345, which is the value of r. So we can write this one as t equals to square root of r. Now let's consider the value of r. The value of r is 0.345. 0.345 is the value between 0 and 1. That is, the value of r is between 0 and 1. We can write it as an inequality. That is 0 less than r less than 1. In this inequality, let's consider this particular part. That is r less than 1. Now, I am going to multiply both sides of this inequality by r. Then we have r times r less than r times 1. R times r is r square less than r times 1 is just r. We know that s equals to r square, so we can plug in this s for r square over here. Then we get s less than r. Okay, again we can consider the inequality we have over here, that is r is less than 1. Now I am going to take a square root on both sides of this inequality. Then I am getting square root of r less than square root of 1. Then we have square root of r less than square root of 1 is just 1. Now I am going to multiply both sides of this inequality by square root of r. That is square root of r times square root of r less than square root of r times 1. We know that square root of r times square root of r is just r less than square root of r times 1 is square root of r. And we know that t equals to square root of r. So we can plug in this t for square root of r over here. Then we have r less than t. Okay, here we got the result s less than r. And here we got the result r less than t. Now we can combine these two results. Then we get s less than r less than t. Okay, here I got the correct order of r, s, and t. That is s less than r less than t. I find this inequality in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.